think saving $750,000 makes you rich. It doesn't. I know, that's not what social media tells you. But here's the real question. What if it changes something way more important than being rich? Let me ask you something. When you check your banking app right now, do you feel calm? Or do you feel that tiny spike of anxiety? Be honest, that little pause before your account balance loads. That's stress. Now, imagine checking it and not caring. That's the first thing that changes. Let's get something clear. $750,000 is not private jet money. It's not never work again at 30 money in most US cities. But, invested properly, at a simple 4% withdrawal rate, that's about $30,000 per year without touching the principal. Let that sink in. $30,000. That covers rent in many states, groceries, utilities, basic life, without a paycheck. That's not luxury, that's breathing room. And breathing room changes everything. Here's what really disappears first: panic. Before, car repair equals stress. Unexpected medical bill equals credit card. Layoff rumor at work equals stomach drop. After $750,000, those problems still happen, but they don't feel like threats. They feel like inconveniences. And that emotional shift, that's huge. Now let me flip this on you. Do you know why most people stay stuck in jobs they hate? It's not laziness, it's dependency. When your rent, your health insurance, your groceries all depend on your next paycheck, you tolerate things you shouldn't. Bad bosses, low raises, office politics. But when you have $750,000 invested, you don't need the job. You choose it. That's different, very different. And here's something nobody tells you. The number doesn't fix your habits. If you impulse shop at $75,000 income, you'll impulse shop with $750,000 saved. If you compare your lifestyle to friends now, you'll still compare later. Money removes fear. It does not remove ego. That part? Still on you. Quick reality check. If your yearly expenses are $50,000, you're not fully retired on $750,000, but you're halfway there. And halfway is powerful, because now your investments grow faster than your stress. Now your salary builds wealth instead of plugging holes. That's when momentum starts. Here's the subtle shift most people miss. Your identity changes. Before $750,000, you think like someone who could lose everything. After $750,000, you think like someone who can rebuild anything. That confidence shows up in interviews, in negotiations, in decisions. You stop reacting. You start planning. And planning is where wealth compounds. But let me say something important. This money can disappear. Bad investments, panic selling during a market crash, lifestyle inflation, high-interest debt creeping back in. $750,000 is not armor, it's leverage. You still need discipline. And here's the line I want you to remember. You're not rich at $750,000. You're hard to control. Read that again. Hard to control. That's freedom, not yachts, not Instagram posts. Control. So let me ask you something honestly. If you had $750,000 invested tomorrow, would you quit your job? Or would you keep working, just differently? Drop it in the comments. I really want to see where people stand on this. And if this gave you a new way to think about money, like the video, share it with someone who thinks they need millions to breathe, and subscribe for more real-world money psychology. Because the goal isn't flexing, it's freedom.